You know that feeling of wanting to use an artificial intelligence, searching for which one is the best, the one that fits what you're looking for, spending countless hours researching, checking the best settings, preparing your prompt, choosing its best model, and then ending up with a disappointing result? Or it simply asks you for more tokens, more money, or another subscription to do something, and in the end, you just lose your time and your money. Well, that's over, because today I'm bringing you not just one, but two artificial intelligences that will help you improve every piece of AI-generated content by 100%. Stay with me until the end of the video, because I won't just show them to you, I'll help you unlock their full potential so you can use them like a true professional.
I also have good news. In our Discord, we've released a new volume of our PDF, completely free for everyone who supports the channel. In these volumes, you'll find the best free AIs, tricks to squeeze 100% out of today's tools, and tips, secrets, and updates we don't share on YouTube. To get them, just join the channel's Discord. There, you'll also find links to all the AIs we're using today, plus the prompts we used. You'll see a bot PDF section. Post the link to the video you watched and one screenshot showing you liked, subscribed, left a positive comment, and watched the whole video. That's it. The bot automatically sends you the latest PDF. Jump into Discord. There are tons of other features. People share Sora codes, give advice, a lot that can help you. All right, let's get to the AIs. All right, the first AI I want to show you is Hailuo, which, with its new update Hailuo 2.3, works better than many models on the market, so I'm sure you're going to love it. Hailuo can turn an image into a realistic, moving scene, meaning we have a model capable of transforming images into ultra-powerful videos. Let's see it. You'll find the link in the description and in the comments. As soon as we enter Hailuo, we can notice there are tons of example videos generated by the community, both vertical and horizontal, and covering all kinds of subjects. We see everything, from real people with ultra-realistic movement to more cartoon-style results. But what always stands out is the incredible consistency in every video, making it, like I said before, much more powerful than many of the AIs we already know. Also, as you can see on the menu on the left, we have several tools like images, gallery, agents, and more. But what we care about today is the video section. When we enter video, we see the new Hailuo 2.3 model at the bottom. The website has many other powerful models, but the one we'll try today is this one. We have the normal version and the fast version, which, as you can imagine, means one generates more detailed and powerful content, and the other gives us very good quality, slightly lower than the normal version, but much faster, making it very efficient. We're going to try everything little by little. One of the things I'm most excited to show you is its consistency and realism when animating smooth human movement. To create it, we have several options. First, there's image to video. Here we can upload an image we already have or one we generated with Hailuo's own image model, which is very powerful. In my case, we're going to create a super high-quality image with Hailuo, then return to the video model and upload our image here. Also, the great thing is that even though this is image to video, we still have a prompt field. Here, we'll give a detailed prompt describing how we want our image to animate. This is very important because you could just upload the image with a simple prompt, but I still recommend taking the time to create the most complete prompt possible so the result matches what you're imagining. Plus, as you can see, you have several free uses for multiple models. So we upload the image, write a very detailed prompt, and then in Settings, notice that we can choose both 768p and 1080p. This makes it one of the AIs capable of delivering the highest resolution generated videos. You can also choose the duration, 6 seconds or 10 seconds, and check out the presets option. When we open it, we get tons of prompts and examples that the AI gives us so we can get inspired when creating our project. There are many options. Something I really like is that there are also camera control presets. What does that mean?
It will help us decide not only how the image should animate, but how the camera should record it. This is perfect for creating cinematic, viral, marketing content, and more. People pay thousands and thousands of dollars for this type of footage, and with this AI, we can create it using just simple prompts and examples. But it doesn't stop there. Many artificial intelligences brag about generating video, but all they really do is animate images. With this AI, we also have the option to create videos from scratch. If you don't want to bother with images, with a detailed prompt, up to 2,000 characters, you can ask it to create the video of your dreams. Whatever you imagine and write here, Hailuo can generate. And like I said before, look at the quality it achieves. We can generate anime-style videos, cinematic, retro, anything we want. We can see how fluid the faces and character movements are. And even here we have the option.
Also, something I recommend you try in image to video is if you have a product, work in marketing, or want to start selling something, try uploading an image of your product, tell it to animate it like a commercial, and play with the camera control presets to adjust it even more. We generate it, and in a moment, we've created a super high-quality ad for our product. But you might say, Malva, the video quality is incredible, but how can I make an ad if it's just a video without audio, right? I can't upload this online. What do I do? Well, I've got the solution for that too, because I found another perfect AI for this. I'm talking about MiniMax. With this artificial intelligence, we have many voice-related tools. We have text-to-speech if we want to create a perfect narrator for our videos, ads, or anything we need. We can clone voices, even our own, if we want to automate our voice for moments when we can't record but still want to keep creating content. We can design new voices, or we can even create music for our projects. This is ideal, for example, if we want an ad. We can add a voice explaining the product. We can use the voice of someone famous, always responsibly, to talk about our product and go viral. We can add music we create ourselves to avoid copyright issues while keeping top-tier quality. Plus, MiniMax has released the new 2.6 model, making it even more powerful than before. Let's try some features. First, we'll use text-to-speech. As soon as we enter this feature, we see something very interesting. There are presets at the bottom, which are super helpful because these are the most common use cases. So the AI understands exactly what we want. We have several. First, there's Tell a Story. If we select it, whatever we write afterwards will be narrated by the AI with a more epic or eerie storytelling tone.
The thunderous hooves of 20,000 cavalry shook the frozen ground at Austerlitz.
You can also go to the Voices option and choose whichever you like best, testing them to find the one that fits what you want.
Syllable carries a promise, drawing you into a realm.
Remember, life will test you.
Picture this: moonlight, ancient.
Let me share.
Notice there are several tags to help you choose the gender, accent, etc. Once we've selected a voice, I chose Tell a Story, we write the text we want it to narrate, and whatever we enter in this box will be converted into audio. So make sure you write it as clearly as possible, with question marks, exclamation points, periods, commas, so the AI narrates it perfectly. Even so, this model is extremely powerful, and whatever you write, it will give you a great result. Another tool inside text-to-speech is Create a Commercial. It works just like Tell a Story, but gives it a more ad-like tone, perfect for what we're doing. We write narration that matches the product video we created earlier, choose a more commercial-style voice, and click Generate.
Step right up. These are the brand new Malva AI headphones. Premium quality, powerful sound, and truly the best on the market. Don't miss them.
As you'll see, the result is ultra-professional. You can't imagine how much money you'll save on video production, narrators, and all those things that, when starting a project, we don't have the budget for. It's an incredibly powerful tool. Same story with Builder Master Tutor. Perfect if you create tutorials and more.
Hey everyone! Welcome to our English tutorial channel. Today, we're diving into easy.
These three features work almost the same. The only thing that changes is the tone and how it speaks, helping the AI understand how we want things to sound. You also see, I didn't show you earlier, that there are several models. The 2.6 is the best currently, and we have an HD version and a turbo version. As you can imagine, Turbo is a bit lower quality but faster, while HD takes a bit longer but gives amazing results. Both are extremely powerful, so I'm sure you'll love both. Now, let's go to another section I really like, voice cloning. This works very simply. We can upload an audio file of someone famous or record our own voice on the website to clone the uploaded or recorded voice. The program recommends recording 10-second clips, as clean and clear as possible, and we can upload up to 10. I recommend that if you'll be using this frequently, upload 10 clean samples so the AI almost never gets it wrong. Besides what we upload, notice that the program lets us remove background noise and improve accent accuracy, making the result more similar to what we want. Then, we choose the language we want our cloned voice to speak in and write text, up to 300 characters, for that voice to narrate. And we have a checkbox asking us to confirm we have all the rights and permission to clone that voice. Because remember, we can't impersonate anyone without their permission. So be careful. If everything is correct, we accept, write our text, click Generate, and look at the incredible result.
This is Malva AI here. We love bringing you the best AI.
As you can see, this AI has many features. I don't want to forget the voice design tool. I love this feature. Other voice AIs usually only have preset libraries where we try to find what best fits, but often we can't find the right one. Well, MiniMax solves that. With voice design, we can create entirely new voices through a prompt. Here we have two fields. First, the field where the magic happens. Here we describe how we want the voice to sound: enthusiastic or calm, like a happy streamer, or a sinister narrator for horror stories. With positive energy, persuasive tone, we have many options. The more detailed we are, the better and more accurate the result. In the field below, we write the text we want that voice to say, so we can test it directly with what we had in mind. The best way to check that everything works well. Also, notice there's a field where the AI gives us several examples of how to create these actors. We click to generate examples, and it gives us different ones. If we click them, we can see adjectives used to describe each type of voice, helping us get inspired to create our own. We can generate as many examples as we want until we find something helpful. Once we have the prompt describing the voice we want and the text for it to narrate, we click Generate, and look at the result.
This is Malva AI here. We love bringing you the best AI.
Did you notice how it adapts exactly to what we requested? Incredible results. And lastly, one more detail I want to show you is the music section. Here we have the 2.0 model. Through a simple or detailed prompt, as always, remember, the more detailed the prompt, the closer the result will be to what we imagined. We can ask it to create a song of any kind. We have up to 2,000 characters, not just to write lyrics in case you don't have any, but you can simply ask for a specific type of song, and the AI will handle the lyrics, sound, mixing, everything, making it sound great. In settings, we also have presets to keep the song aligned with what we want. Styles like pop, hip-hop, rock, and more. Moods like relaxed, happy, and different environments. There are many options. We also have a lyrics field in case we already have lyrics and want to use the prompt characters specifically for describing how we want the song to sound, while putting lyrics separately so they don't take up space in the main prompt. It even shows an example of how the structure must look, so the AI can sing it perfectly. Once we've written the prompt, we click Create, and look at the result.
Watch the world just pass me by. A silent fear, a heavy chain, whispered doubts through pouring rain. Shadows clung to every step, promises I never kept. But a distant thunder rolled, a story waiting to unfold. Felt a flicker deep inside, nowhere left for me to hide. Oh, I'm breaking free from...
As you can see, this is perfect for creating content. Earlier, we created a product ad video. I'm going to show you how the video created with Hailuo and the audio created with MiniMax look together.
Step right up. These are the brand new Malva AI headphones. Premium quality, powerful sound, and truly the best on the market. Don't miss them.
You saw it. Incredible results. And we only spent a few minutes generating. We didn't waste any time. That's what I love most about this AI. Huge thanks to MiniMax for sponsoring this video. I hope this helped you a lot and that you can get the best results in the world with the artificial intelligences I showed you today. Remember that you have the link in the description and in the pinned comment of this video. Thank you so much for watching.